It's a 1997 Dodge Viper GTS. I got this a few months ago, and I was lucky enough I found one with this is a single owner, so I'm the second owner. He owned it since 1997. I still have the original wheels and not the original tires, but the original type tires. I think the date code was 2000, so he had replaced the tires one time. I actually have the receipt for that as well. It's pretty much spotless. The gentleman I bought it from was super particular about his vehicles. These are CCW wheels. Still has these flaps on there. These break off pretty commonly. They just kind of dry rot. Motor's in great shape. Have the original airbox, throttle bodies, all that good stuff. Spark plug wires. I have the original intake manifold as well. He's got custom exhaust on this. That sounds great. I have the original the original exhaust also, including the cats, mufflers, all that good stuff. Interior is in great shape. I need to vacuum it out a little bit. No seats, no rips in the seats, no tears, nothing like that. It's obviously been well conditioned. Factory radio, all the gauges work. I did replace the speakers, front and rear. I put JLW3s, the 6-inch in the rear, and sealed them up so they sound nice. Previous owner also put the 5-point racing harnesses in here. So 5-point meaning it has, well, it's under there, but the full shebang. They probably need to be sent back and re-certified, make sure everything's good there. I'm sure the date code on there is well expired. Cap looks great, so I'll start it up. So I actually put a car seat in here for my daughter every now and then, so I did disable the airbag light, but besides that, fire's right up. Sounds great. This is a 97, so it has the nice cam in there. It's a little more lumpy than the cream puffs. Cream puff being the Vipers, I believe, 99 to 2002. Could be 2000 to 2002. They had a slightly different cam that made them idle a bit smoother. But I personally, and I think a lot of others, prefer the nice lopey sound of a V10. I'll take some other videos. I'll do a little drive around. Let me know if there's anything else that you want to see. Of course, these hoods, you got to be kind of careful with them. But there's no cracks in this one. I'm gonna put this. Cracks in this one, so it's been opened and closed properly. That's it. Love this car. It's a lot of fun. You don't see too many. I think they made a little under 1,700 in 1997 of the GTS model. A few more of the RT10, but just love the